We're here at the Two Rivers, the home of Centum, and we are celebrating what has been 10 exciting years since James Mworia joined as the CEO of the group at only 30 years old. My name is Pius Moshiri Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. Suzzane Kilolo, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Pius.
Fantastic. Just tell us, what exactly do you do for Centum?
Well, I head investor relations and strategic comms for the group, and that basically means that I'm responsible for positioning the brand and the story both to our shareholders, different stakeholders, including regulators, as well as the investment community, both locally and internationally.
Wow. So it is then fair for me to say that you are the custodian of the Centum story?
In a nutshell, yes.
Yeah. So how would you summarize the last 10 years?
Well, I think Centum has grown in leaps and bounds over a very short period of time. And I think the leadership has had a very key role to play in that space, being able to what I'd call dream and dream in color and not let anything hold them back. And to be able to actually scale. I think if you look at Centum 3.0, that was about scaling the business. And I think now we're ready to actually monetize and grow at a much faster rate and deepen what we currently have on board. So dream in color, execute at a very fast pace, and at all times driving excellence in everything we do. I think in a nutshell, that's what Centum has done very well.